Yeah, you push it.
Hi!
Kung nagpa-vlog siya.
I'm back at Azalea. Here at Azalea, Baguio. Hi guys, I'm back here at Tradisyon. We're having our breakfast now. Long beef. This is our room. Breakfast na tulog kami, no? Madami akong kakainin ngayon kasi hindi ako kumain masyado kanina. Hi guys! So we are here at Azalea.
Kaya tayo eh. Kumain lang.
Lahat ng halaman na nasusunod kumukulo na yung sa kanila eh.
It's not boiling. Mga 2 minutes more. It's gonna... Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sean.
Hi, I'm Emily, and this is our first time in the Philippines. We're from California in the United States. We're here just visiting, touring. So we've been in Baguio for 2 days.
And we happened to try some of the food at Tradisyon here at Azalea. And let's see, we had Chinese hot pot last night, which was awesome. Spicy if you want it, which I like. We had today pizza, pasta, and salad, which was also pretty awesome. The tres quesos was really, really good. And also the desserts here are probably the best thing. Carrot cake, chocolate cake, tres leches, tiramisu,
and the hot chocolate. The
and hot chocolate.
was really good.
And coffee always good.
So I
And
come
it's
back.
been a blast. We're sad we have to leave, but can't wait to come back.
Shit, kumigtat.
Nakidot ba yun? Wala akong flash.
We're going to Baguio Museum and Aguinaldo Museum. Sa Baguio Museum, makakita po kayo doon ng totoong mummy. Tapos sa Aguinaldo, yung oldest flag ng Philippines nandun din po. So yun po yung itinerary.
Naputol.
Halos din.
Thank you. Ayan, we're here at Baguio Museum. Teka lang, mag-constitute mo na please.
Okay.
Parang bago ito siya.
Baguio Museum. Our museum is about the Cordillera, and the Cordillera is made of 6 provinces. As you go along, you see the different artifacts and learn the different culture of each of the provinces in the Cordillera. The people here generally called Igorot. Igorot means people from the mountain. Ig means from, and Gorot means the mountain chain that surrounds the Cordillera. Ethnographic Museum features the different provinces of the Cordillera. The schedule is Tuesday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come visit Baguio Museum. Welcome to Earthlings from China, so Japanese food marker. It came from vertebrae of the sea. I'm sorry, ma'am, sir. This is the only thing that you are not allowed to take pictures. Museum that has mummy. So the Egyptian, the pharaoh only. So this must be a our ranking or she has social status.
Until what year do they do this?
That's her skin na sir, skin and bone. Skin and bone, and then her nails still there.
Yeah, it's still buo. By the
When she
way.
died, she's on earth on the This hard food dito is very important. They are called the peacock of the north. The tribal people. For men, for example, they end up into a bulldog. Pattern by veranda from the Spaniards.
Baguio Museum. If ever you come here in Baguio, please.
Okay.
You can walk like
Next is Aguinaldo Museum.
Welcome to the General Video Aguinaldo Museum. My name is Claire Bautista. I would like to invite all of you to visit our museum where you can see legitimate artifacts from the war, and flags. There are flags, there are pianos. It's a historical museum where you can get a summarized version from the discovery of the Philippines up until our freedom from the U.S. nationalists. So we are located in Baguio City. I hope you can visit us.
What would be the size of this story?
Sino yung nag-iisa doon?
Yes po,
the
it has
light.
to be, there was a curator from the Smithsonian Museum who came here, and he said that even if you lock it inside the vault, so dark and cold, it will still continue to deteriorate. That's why the descendants of the president created this museum just to let the Filipinos see it.
Before it died.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why naka-aircon siya.
So, the flash would really...
Yes, but
And the light and all, that's why it's...
yes,
The aircon is
First
on
level
for
po siya.
24/7.
How long na nandito na
Sa
ito?
museum.
the Aguinaldo family decided to bring it because at first we didn't have that. It was only
One of the best things you can find here at the Aguinaldo Museum is our first flag. It's in there and it's gonna deteriorate soon. So please visit this place, okay? So if you're visiting the Aguinaldo Museum, just look for the University of Baguio Prep and also MOS. It's just across it.
Parang ang dami nila.
Now we are here at the Easter Reading. The famous place for the rivers of the Cordillera region.
Tawagan po sa Easter Ano po ang road, mga ginagawa po mga like yung mga ethnic attire, yung mga design na gaya na hindi na mawawala dito sa Baguio.
When in Baguio on a rainy day night is go to a karaoke, going to burn.
Just a thing with a live chick.
My little Hi guys! We're on the back! Oh my god!
Lights on, lights on.
No, lights. Ah! The drunken! Oh my god. You'll see this on my YouTube channel.
I told you what happens in Baguio.
Stays
And Facebook!
And in YouTube!
It's my last night!
And we're going to Jollibee at 1 a.m. Oh my god. Right.
You have to mix it really well.
So everything's covered.
Just like this.
Let's taste anything like a chicken in this.
It's hot.
Hot.
Is
Careful.
it bigger?
No, it's a baby chick.
Sa bayanihan po tayo pupunta, mag-uukay trip na lang po tayo since yung original plan is available po.
Are they
Nagtatangin yung mga costa.
here in Baguio?
Uy!
And it's not that
mo naman
rain
makapasok
hot. Mag-ukay sila. Kasi kami natulog sa mga daw because I don't know why.
Masaya na si Sam. Diba?
Overrun! Mga branded product.
95%.
Ayan, ayan. Or authentic daw. I miss the Overrunners in Baguio. Here we are at the Overrunners. Baguio.
Pag sinuot ko, ano?
Gonna place this is warmer than this is battlefield in all the bar. Broken hearted.
This is the very first ever escape room here. For the definition of the locking block, it's time for you guys to solve everything inside the room, and of course, have for the team yung setup. Are you a crazy person or a mental patient? So you can proceed to the other parts of it. And for the Summer's Nightmare, that is the special room that we have, the first live action escape room. We have and every one of you. Mainly, my name is Hino. So for the price rate po, depending on what day you will be playing in specific room, is we follow per player. And for Fridays to Sundays and holidays, we follow a bracket po. So mas mahal po siya when mas konti po kayo. So it is better to play as a group or 5. And we're open 10 to 10 daily po. Okay.
Ikagala, dagiti,
Ano binibili? So yes, of course, Baguio trip is not complete without the Hi everyone! Kumusta naman? Oh, asan na si ating Baguio tour?
Kanya, di ba? First Baguio na bumalik.
Hi guys! We are here at Slaughterhouse. I am.
Kitang ka pa, guys.
Oh. Ay, nawala.
Wala eh. Wala. Ito na lang.